based on funding, shrink to grow or grow to work.
Just have a question regarding, since we're on relevant matters of the school board and facilities subcommittee, when can we expect that the response from the audit will be presented from the board?
The response from the audit is going to come back in October to this group.
Okay, thank you.
So, excuse me, the response to that,
The audit findings.
They're supposed to respond at a certain time, which they haven't. So Dr. Harder is explaining that they will finally do the response, and we will see it.
and we will be discussing that.
Yeah.
Under the audit subcommittee. I don't agree with that.
Okay.
So,
All right.
there's a hand over here.
Yeah, I want to apologize to the CBOC board about this response to findings. I was under the mistaken impression from talking to a few accounting professionals that it didn't come into effect the next year. So, not making any excuses, we should have. It was signed into Ed Code in January, and it was 12-13 audit, so, it was just brought to our attention recently. We need like, a month and a half to get it together, and that's why it's going to be October. But going forward, it's going to be 3 months after. And we'll make sure each time that when we do that, we have our review reach your findings, and that will coincide with that 3-month rule, which is under Ed Code. 15, yeah, 15280-A2. So, it's an oversight, so hopefully it won't happen again.
I guess one of the second, it makes sense for these to respond immediately to the audit, while the auditors are there. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense to respond to an audit in October of this year, to get it in June. That is no time at all. The audit, the staff should have responded, as they did to a couple of the audit findings. And that's important, that, and that's our recommendation. That's in the package that we asked the board to approve. And I will be sure that that will be brought up at the board meeting.
All right. Now. Oh, sorry.
And just quickly, I think we talked when the auditors reported, and the district committed at that time to respond to all findings going forward. So that will not happen in the future, under any circumstances.
They will respond in the audit.
Yeah, of course.
So you will be there. You will be there.
I know, but the person coming in, and I'll come back and help them. But the performance audit is different than financial audit. In financial audit, we always respond to everything. Performance is just coming under the same type of rules and guidelines as the financial. But going forward, the district made a commitment in March after this audit, because there were some gaps in it. And also our auditors are going to hold our feet to the fire. And that's what I believe they should have done all along. So going forward, there will be findings, recommendations, and our response will be in the audit report. And then when we come back 3 months later, we're going to take a look at it and say, look at what we said and make sure we're doing it. That's the plan going forward. So.
Okay.
Norma.
Because positions change and personnel shifts or retires. Indeed, when you speak, as you know, the district will do, when you speak today about what the district will do to ensure that these findings are attended to, how does the district institutionalize that practice?
If I could, it is part of the law now, and although we missed it this year, we won't miss it again. It's part of what we set up to do. As laws change, we respond and change our practices and institutionalize them. That's what we'll do as a result of that. Make it part of our institutional practice and how we respond to performance on.
So
Just like
what
we have for financial law.
what does that look like? Because I'm hearing you say that, but what, to the person not within the district, what is that institutional practice?
So what we do inside is that we have a set of performance criteria that we hold all of our folks to, and we review them. And so the person who will supervise Martin's replacement will communicate that to that person in terms of what what are the performance responsibilities, and that's clearly one of them, to make sure we can do that, as the person who's on the form, to make sure we follow the intent of the law.
The operators are gonna hold us responsible, so they're not gonna let us get away with not responding.
So what does that,
Well, that means like, okay, we can find in the past, sometimes we didn't respond to it, we have to respond to it, and then you're gonna hold our feet to the fire 3 months later, what are you doing? You know, how do you, are you doing what you say you're gonna do to fix the problem?
so I think, yeah, so I,
No, we
so,
have to do it.
so I think
We have to do it.
what I still don't understand is, you're asked to indeed respond or else, but what is the or else? Deferred discussion about the same thing? Which is what I think we have become acquainted with. Am I,
Well,
you know what I'm saying? Can I make myself clear?
I don't know what else I can tell you. I don't know, what would satisfy you? Under what conditions would you be satisfied knowing that we're gonna follow up on that?
If there, I tend to think that if someone, it's fairly easy to dilute responsibility when we think in terms of abstracts in organizations, whether it be a district or a committee, if you will. And so the sense of responsibility and or accountability also gets diluted until one can actually identify an individual or individuals who did or did not do something that was expected of them. And often, or at least as far as I know, the consequence of not being responsive ends up becoming a personnel matter to the point of being dismissed or fired or sent to a different location, what have you. So I think what I'd like to hear is, in the absence of response, what are the actions the district takes, short of bringing those points that are left to question because they're unresolved to a committee which hears them yet again?
Well, we have hundreds of these responsibilities that we deal with and address every day. And that's what management does, is it supervises employees to live up to the responsibilities. And when